This is for the new year. Stop between the Thomas the Tank Engine. New year, new year. And New Year's time for a new time. There a new time cause of rain. The new time comes to falling down the ceiling. Nobody thinks we're never gonna try. Never thinks at all. It was early New Year's Day at the island of Sodor. But later, I met Thomas. Stop now. I don't care, you. Thomas walked up. No one here yet. Oh. And now, before we saw the New Year presentation, we always come. The New Year special is always there. Welcome to the New Year. Before that, it was terrible sight. For the growly bear comes into our house, and he will scare everyone. Nobody scares, we're never gonna rest. The rest is always useless. Everything's we'll never try, I'll never think at all. Every time you see Thomas the Train, he's on the island of Sodor's there. Nobody gets away. There he comes to another story. No one stories until the new year comes. From now on, house between the new year, between our friends, between always had the lovely too. There's something to deal, nothing to learn, and now we came over the year. What you on now? I want to take away your Newserator 3000. It will never be shown ever again. Don't do it! Don't do it! Yes! I destroyed it! Now let's put it in the water. Now let's put it in the mat. No, please, no! My Newserator 3000! Oh no, my Newsreader 3000! What did you have done to my Newsreader? I drown your Newsreader! Hey, you did this on purpose! Why? Now look, what have you done? Oh dear. Percy's Newsreader 3000 is broken because he put it in the mud. Why did you do this? Because I put it in the mud. You loser. I am going to destroy it for good. And you will never ever ever record everything ever again. Ha ha. I can do whatever I want to. Oh. Oh dear. Percy isn't happy that the Newsreader 3000 is dead. I broke your power. I broke your batteries. Happy now. That's it. I'll buy a new one. Screw this Newsreader. I want to buy a new one. I need to go wash it. This needs some cleaning. Oh dear. Poor his Newsreader went broken. Oh no. What's wrong, Percy? Why are you sad? Why are you crying? The Newsreader 3000 has been dead by that dinosaur. Oh dear me. The Newsreader needs some cleaning right now. Oh man. I hope I'll clean the whole floor out before this is flooded out. I'll try on this side. Right. Ready? Pop it out. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. I'll buy a new one. Don't worry. I'll buy a new one for the new year. Oh dear me. 3 hours later. Do. Thomas Watson, new news radar 3000 for Percy will stay alive. Hey, there it is. New one. New one! Yay! Here's my news radar 3000. Needs more batteries for the snow. And then the snow starts falling. Snow is falling. Snow is falling. Oh. The snow is falling on my backyard. No. I should sing a song. Do. The news red is falling on my backyard. The snow is always a good chance. The snow is falling on the town, the backyard. Then always time for a lovely story. Go! Oh dear me. Oh dear me. Poor Madsen. Do. On New Year 1969, 11:51 p.m. Now, 11:59. Now, for lovely got-rins before the New Year, before the New Year's began. Now, everyone, looked at the light. See, it's gonna come. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Everybody loves our New Year party, jumping and dancing in the streets. So much times for our brand new decade of 1969. But now we celebrate our New Year Day. Let's shut up, man. I am on video. Stop recording. And now let's take a picture. Oh no! Oh. Ow. And now Thomas the Tank Engine has a theme song for everyone! Yay! There 2 and 4 and 6 or 8 shunting trucks and foreign freights, red and green and brown and blue. They're a really useful crew. All the different roles to play, mounting mid-shed so far away, down the hills and round the bounds. Thomas and his friends. Thomas, I am a cheeky one. James, I am lots of fur. Percy, Pauls, I am hauling on mail time. Noggin thunders down the line. Gordon really knows the stuff. Edward toots and puffs. Toby wants to know a share. Whoa. Ready? You ready to try again? Try again. Don't put Edward. Sorry. Ready? On your mark. 3, 2, 1. Thomas, what the beat? There 2 and 4 and 6 or 8 shunting trucks and foreign freights, red and green and brown and blue. They're a really useful crew. All the different roles to play, mounting mid-shed so far away, down the hills and round the bounds. Thomas and his friends. Thomas, I am a cheeky one. James, I am lots of fur. Percy, Paul, and mail a time. Noggin thunders down the line. Simon really knows the stuff. Henry toots and puffs. Gordon wants to know a share. And Toby, well, let's say he's square. There 2 and 4 and 6 or 8 shunting trucks and foreign freights, red and green and brown and blue. They're a really useful crew. All the different roles to play. Round Tickford Shed so far away. Down the hills and round the roads. Thomas and his friends, woo-hoo! They're 2 and 4 and 6 to 8. Shunting trucks and 4 and 8. Red and green and brown and blue. They're a really useful crew. All the different roles to play. Round Tickford Shed so far away. Down the hills and round the bends. Thomas and his friends. Join us again for our next adventure on Thomas and Friends in 1969. We will see you again soon. Okay, goodbye.